My name is Joseph Vanacore, and I'm a first year electrical engineer. My elevator pitch idea is for an application called WeJ. Now, to start things off, this application would run on any smartphone platform, and it would also be able to connect to any brand of Bluetooth speaker on the market. Now, it is a play on DJ because it allows people to connect multiple Bluetooth speakers together and play the same songs simultaneously. It also allows users who do and don't have a Bluetooth speaker to have a say in the song choice. Now, the way that this is done is through a voting process. So, users can vote for the genre of the music, the songs, and within the songs, whether or not they contain explicit material or not, and finally for the volume level. Now, since this is geared towards everyone having a more interactive and fulfilling experience, the majority would rule as far as the voting process is concerned. And the reason why I think this app can work is because it's a new idea, it's a new approach, and it would honestly engage more people in social gatherings and provide a more fulfilling experience for them.